In this video, let us see Sai Baba. Who is Sai Baba? I got the information from Wikipedia. So let's start. Sai Baba of Shirdi, also known as Shirdi Sai Baba, was an Indian spiritual master who is regarded by his devotees to be a manifestation of Sri Datta Guru and identified as a saint and a fakir. He was revered by both his Hindu and Muslim devotees during as well as after his lifetime. According to accounts from his life, he preached the importance of realization of the self and criticized love towards perishable things. His teachings concentrate on a moral code of love, forgiveness, helping others, charity, contentment, inner peace, and devotion to the Guru and God. He stressed the importance of surrender to the true Satguru, who, having trod the path to divine consciousness, will lead the disciple through the jungle of spiritual training. Now, at the right side, you can see Shirdi Sai Baba's photograph. It's very rare photograph which has been taken uh, while he was alive. And Sai Baba also condemned distinction based on religion or caste. It remains unclear if he was a Muslim or a Hindu. This, however, was of no consequence to Sai Baba. His teachings combined elements of Hinduism and Islam. He gave the Hindu name Dwaraka to the mosque in which he lived, practiced both Hindu and Muslim rituals, taught using words and figures that drew from both traditions, and took Samadhi in Shirdi. One of his well known epigrams, Allah Malik, God is King, and Sabka Malik Ek, everyone's master is one, is associated with both Hinduism and Islam. Now, he died on 15th October 1918 in Shirdi, Bombay, present day Maharashtra, India, and resting place is Samadhi Mandir. And these are few beautiful quotes by Sai Baba. Allah Malik, Shraddha Saburi, Sabka Malik Ek. And now let us look young Baba's advent at Shirdi. Gopal Deshmukh, while reclining on young Baba's lap after getting hit by the brick, told Baba that he would, on his own violation, leave his mortal coil at 4 pm the following day, not due to injury from the brick, but due to his own spiritual powers. This played out as predicted. As Gopal Rao Deshmukh gave up his life with his full consciousness, having settled all his affairs, he pointed his hand westwards at young Baba, hinting to him to go westwards. Shirdi is west of Selu on the banks of Godavari, and it is through his journey since then that Baba reached Shirdi and came across even to people of Shirdi as a saint of exemplary virtue and worthy of the highest esteem and regard, thereby being worshipped as God incarnate himself. And further information you can get it from Sai Satcharita. Sai Satcharita was written by Hemant Pant in the presence of Sai Baba. It has all the life teachings by Sai Baba, and you can get to know the stories from that book. Thank you.